Hello everyone, welcome to Himalai channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 6 of class 7 NCERT, our environment. So this is the book we are referring. And what is the title? The chapter name is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So what is natural vegetation? It is the plant life in a given region. This plant life could be of three types. It could be in the form of forest, grasslands, and shrubs. What determines this type of vegetation? It is the climate of that region which determines this type of vegetation. So in turn, climate of a region is determined by temperature of that region as well as precipitation of that region. That is, what is the amount of rainfall in that region determines whether we find there forest, grasslands, or shrubs. So moving on to types of forest, we find mainly 6 types of forest, that is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous forest. So going into details of it, first one is tropical evergreen forest. Okay, so where do they occur? They occur in the regions near the equator, that is close to tropics. Okay, near the equator, that is close to tropics. And what are the characteristics of the forest here? They are evergreen forest. Evergreen forest means the trees found in this region do not shed their leaves in a particular season. Okay, here there is no dry season in this region, and we found this type of forest in tropical region. That is why they are called tropical evergreen forest. And other features here is we find hardwood trees, okay, we find thick canopy, okay, etc. Next, coming to, we will see of this temperate evergreen forest. Coming to this temperate evergreen forest, here they are found in temperate region, that is mid-latitude coastal region. So where can we find this? Especially here, southeast of USA, south of China, and here south of Australia. Fine. And next, coming to the next type of forest is deciduous forest. So what is the meaning of deciduous? Means this type here in this region, the trees shed their leaves in a particular season, that is dry season. Why they have to do that? Because to conserve the water. Okay. And in tropics region, if we see here, the surrounding areas of this evergreen forest, all these are what called as tropical deciduous forest. Coming to the temperate deciduous forest, same deciduous factor here, which shed their leaves in dry season, but they are found in mid latitudes. Okay, where do we find? Especially here, northeast of this USA. Okay, then here northeast of China, then here Western Europe, Chile, then Australia, we find temperate deciduous forest. Next, coming to the Mediterranean vegetation. So the name itself says that this type of vegetation is dominant in around this Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so here it faces hot summer and wet winters. That is the characteristics of this region: hot summer and wet winter. Okay, and it is popularly known for cultivation of citrus fruits. Hence, it is called as orchards of the world. Okay, apart from this region, Mediterranean vegetation, we can find it in this south. Okay, especially western part in Northern America, as well as in Chile, southwest of Chile, in Africa, as well as here in southwest of this Australia. Okay, and coming to the next type of forest is coniferous forest, or they are also called as taiga forest. Especially we find it this type of forest in northern hemisphere from 50° north latitude to 70° north latitude. Okay. Here we find softwood evergreen forest. Next, moving on to the grasslands, we can classify into two types of grasslands where it is found, based upon where it is found, whether if it is found in tropical or temperate region. So tropical grasslands, they occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics here. Okay. So what are the famous tropical grasslands? It is African savannas, then Brazil campos, Venezuela's llanos. Okay. These grasses are tall and they are non-nutritious. Coming to the temperate grasslands, they are found in mid-latitude zones and in the interior part of the continents. And what are the famous temperate grasslands? North American prairies. Okay. Argentina llanos. Then African velds. Australian downs. New Zealand's Canterbury. Okay. Then Central Asia and Russia, here it is steppes. Okay. And these grasses are short and these grasses are nutritious. Moving on to the next type of vegetation, that is tundra. Okay. So in this picture, what you are seeing is this is taiga or coniferous trees. Tundra, we rarely find any kind of vegetation there. Okay. Here you can see, especially because they are near to the poles. And animals found here, they have adopted to this cold region. By how? Because see here you can see they have thick fur and thick skin. Okay, this is how they have adopted to this extreme temperature. Fine, hope you understood this chapter. So what did we learn in this chapter? We saw what is natural vegetation, what are the different types of it, that is forest, grasslands and shrubs. Forest, 6 types of forest we saw, and where it is distributed in the world we saw that, and grasslands, different types of grasslands and where it is distributed in the world we saw, and next one is shrubs. Fine, that's it in this video. Thank you. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.